Doc open, a Google Doc. Well, I will show you. Let me get over to my screen. I need to go pick up something off of the printer. I'll be right back. While you guys are getting that Google Doc open. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming? Who's Bud Stripes? Why am I singing this while I'm walking to the printer? I don't know, but I hope you see this and enjoy this, whoever watches this. All right. Why do we have no screen? We have no connection. What the heck?
Good.
Try again. That's not it. We're going to unplug, replug.
No, I'm right there.
Go. I think we got it. Yes. Connecting. You can do this. Aha. Okay. Upper right-hand corner of your paper, what should you put?
Your name.
Your name, your date, and your fifth period.
Upper right?
Upper right-hand corner. Let me zoom in a little bit.
Which one is it upper right?
What?
Oh, that's upper left.
Upper right-hand corner, always. 500%? That's big. So I am Mr. Heller. You guys can put your name. The date is 9-12-24. Period is 5th, right? Yes? Okay. Who here has ever done a lab report before? Okay, good. But did you guys do any full write-ups last year?
Yeah.
You did?
I don't know. I don't remember.
Okay. Well, if you haven't, you're about to. Anyone know what the first line on a lab write-up is?
Nope.
Title. Title. After every section, I'm just going to tab, I don't know, twice, so I can keep stuff lined up. The title of this lab is the density of wood lab.
Yeah.
I know, density of wood lab. That's not spelled right. That's the density. Anybody know what comes under title? You guys said you've never done this before. Yes, it must look just like this. Purpose. 12 font's fine. So the purpose statement always starts out with the purpose of this lab is to. It's always going to be that. Anybody have a guess of what the purpose of this lab is going to be?
To find the density of wood.
Find the density of wood blocks. Find the density of wood blocks. Next section is background. The next section is background. Does anybody know what the equation for density is? Density equals mass divided by volume. That'd be good background. Anyone know the equation for volume of a block? Length times width times height. What else do we know? Other things, background things that we could know. What do we know about wood?
It is solid.
True. What else do we know about wood? It's not as dense as water. How do we know that? Wood floats. I like that. Let's say wood floats on water, and water has a density of what? 1.0 gram per centimeter cubed. Oh, I don't like how I did that. I'll fix that later. Therefore, the density of wood should be what?
Less than 1.
less than 1.0 gram per centimeter cubed. If you want to fix that, make it look good, you can hit enter and then tab it over. I don't care if yours is lined up for this first one. If you want to make your 3 as superscript, you can. Depends how fancy you guys want to be.
I don't know how to do that.
Well, you highlight the 3, and then there's probably a little superscript button somewhere on your screen. Oh, there you go, control period. Does that work for me?
Maybe command period.
Oh, okay, don't yell at me. It didn't work for me. I got a button.
Try option period.
I'm just going to use the button. Whoa, that's not the right button.
Yeah, okay.
First lab write-up, Mr. Worth. After background, usually is hypothesis. No, variables. They did. They just had to hit like control period. Fine, I'll make mine superscript. Is it control period? Yep.
I wish we could do it in sheets.
There's a way to do it in sheets.
Yeah, we have to copy and paste it from the other thing, right?
I think there's a shortcut in sheets as well.
All right, I'd like to, when we do the degree sign for temperature also.
Degree sign is like control O, or there's a shortcut for that too. We should make a little sheet with like a cheat sheet for,
We should.
yeah. So, our variables, what are the 2 variables we're going to be looking at here? No, density is what we're solving for. Density equals what? Mass and volume. So I'm going to have a wood block. What will I control? Yes, about that block. Will I control the mass of the block or the volume of the block? Now think about this. If you were the one making the block, which you aren't, what would you control? The volume. Why? Because you're the one who cut it, right? And then what should depend on the volume? Yes, you got it. So let's start with the independent variable. We just list these. So the independent variable is the volume of the block, and let's put that in centimeters cubed, so we know we're going to be measuring in centimeters. And the dependent variable, I saw Mr. Jordan at the fair last night.
Oh, yeah.
He was at the Parks booth.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. The mass is going to be in grams.
We have a suggestion for you.
Yes.
Boathouse, Friday night,
What?
at Disney Springs, Boathouse.
Ooh, what's that?
That's a good restaurant.
What kind of food?
Seafood, steaks.
Oh. I've been looking at Breeze Airways. They fly out of Akron, Canton. The flights look pretty good. I'm close to booking. I'm looking at like a 10 a.m. flight,
Okay.
9 or 10. So we're trying to get there by lunchtime, so we have the day
Yeah.
to hang out.
I think you need to book that reservation now, though, because it's inside your booking window now.
Okay. Sweet. Thank you.
Yep.
That's some Disney talk. Always time to talk Disney.
When are you going to Disney?
My wife is going to take me to Disney for a little weekend for my 40th birthday. Just the 2 of us, no kids. One day, Magic Kingdom, doing it all. We're going to ride Tiana, the new Bayou Revenge. We've never ridden Tron together.
What's that?
Amazing roller coaster. It's awesome. We didn't get to ride Space Mountain last time. What else? Only one of my daughters wanted to go in Haunted Mansion, so we want to ride that together. All the classics, like Peter Pan. What else?
It's romantic.
Small World.
That's romantic.
I hate that one.
Romantic? I could see it, I guess. If you like little porcelain dolls doing Small World after all. It's a good ride.
Finally caught up.
What?
Nothing. I was like way behind, but now I caught up.
Good. That's why we did that. Did that for you. Controls. What's going to stay the same throughout the lab? The type of wood. So you're going to have several blocks of a type of wood. The ruler you're using. The electronic balance you're using. That's probably it. Those are pretty good controls. So there are my variables. There's not a good hypothesis for this lab, so we're going to skip that. We'll get to a hypothesis later. Procedure. A procedure should always be written, number 1, with complete sentences, and number 2, so a 5th grader could follow it. Number 2, so a 5th grader could follow it. I just realized that we are not all the way on the screen. Whoops. Sorry, guys. Sorry. What?
How do we watch this video?
I post every single day on Google Classroom.
Wait, does
Yes.
it like only pick up what you say?
I mean, it probably picked that up, but like my voice is gonna be the loudest. Do you want to say hi?
Hi.
Okay, there we go.
Wait.
So that was for Bree and Nora. Yeah. Yes, if you ever miss a day, it's like you never miss a day. Yeah. It's a beautiful thing. So complete sentences and like a 5th grader could follow it. Any guesses on what the first one we have to do?
Get your stuff.
Make an observation.
Huh?
Get your resources.
We assume that we have those.
Make an observation.
This is what you're gonna physically do. Turn that off.
Oh, put on those goggles and
We don't need goggles for this lab, actually.
you should always have goggles in the lab.
Measure the length, width, and height of the block
A block.
and record. 2, take the mass of block in grams and record. 3, calculate the volume. Am I typing fast? Calculate the volume of the block in centimeters cubed. Sorry, I'm a fast typer.
What is going on? I'm on the 2.
4, calculate the density of the block in grams per centimeters cubed. 5, repeat for all blocks of the same species. So you might have like the A block set, or the B block set, or the Z block set. If you got 5 blocks, you're gonna do it for 5 blocks. If you have 6 blocks, you're gonna do it for 6 blocks. Just depends how many blocks are in your manila envelope.
I'll buy one block.
You stuck? You got 1 block? Then you're a blockhead.
Is it still my computer? It was stuck in the notation, but
I hate it when that happens. 6.
Oh, there's more?
We got 2 more steps. I think. Yeah.
That's not it.
Graph mass versus volume for all blocks. Let's say for each block. 7, draw a line of best fit and calculate slope. Guess what? We're not going to be doing that with paper anymore. Because what do we have at our fingertips? I was thinking Google Sheets. Also Desmos, but we're going to use Google Sheets.
Well, you can share.
Oh yeah, I'm going to show you. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's our procedure.
my computer's glitching out.
Next step, materials.
Slow down.
I'll pause.
6, bro.
All right, I'm going to hydrate.
I'm on 5.
I'm going to hydrate while you guys are typing.
Put the numbers.
I'm ready to learn. I'm ready. I'm ready to
It's
go.
lagging out.
I've been ready.
I don't
I
think
was
yours
born
is
ready.
ready.
They just didn't take typing classes. They did.
They must not taken typing
Oh,
that
you
complication.
Yeah.
No, I did not.
What is typing.com?
We used to learn how to type in
It was
library.
awful. It was torture.
Is there like racing?
Yeah.
That's not your type.
Yeah, I jumped type.
What's it called?
I used to be nice at that.
Oh, I bet I could destroy it. I'll do it live on the screen right now.
Do it.
Should I?
Not right now.
Okay, after this. Once people catch up.
Can you add me as friend?
On what? Huh?
On Nitro type?
I don't even know what that is. I don't even know what nitro type is. So.
It's like your car race.
Oh.
It like tells you your work per minute.
Is everybody caught up?
No.
Oh. Grace, are you caught up? All right. If Grace is caught up, we can keep going.
I'm not.
That's all right. It's still up here on the screen. Materials. We're going to list out what we need based off of our procedure. Based off our procedure, what do we need? It's just a list. Blocks, ruler,
Balance.
electronic balance. Anything else? That's it.
Water.
We're not actually using water. That was just background. We assume that we have paper, pencil, Chromebook. That's all assumed. Just we need to actually collect the data. Last section is data. Then we're going to say see attached. Because our data is going to be on a Google Sheet. Our data is going to be in a Google Sheet. So what's this called? Nitro something?
Nitro type.
All right, I'm going to freeze this while I get a nitro type right now.
I know the ABC type.
67 words per minute.
Nitro type video game?
It's like 19 on YouTube, baby.
Do I have to log? Can I just race now?
Nope, log in.
I don't have an account.
Continuously.
Yeah, just go.
Can I log in with Google? All right.
Dude, we used to have a Nitro type clan. Shot Quan.
All right, I'm in. Now what?
I'm on Wampus Walker.
How do I play somebody?
You know, just as soon as you start, it will
One friend is online.
Hey, friend me.
I have you friended, Nick.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm not ready.
It's Ultra Grady.
Wait. What's your name, Kaden?
Shot Quan. Shot Q-O-A.
Kaden, what is that?
I don't know.
Okay, we're ready to record that. Where's Chuck Quan?
Okay, I did not know what I was doing. Am I still going?
I see Lil Quan.
Yeah, you go until you finish.
What's your user?
Nick rated 19 on YT.
All right. Are you guys caught up?
No.
No, I mean caught up to this, not nitro type.
I'm gonna use my Nitro.
I messed up.
45 words per minute.
All right, here we go. One more game. Now what?
I'm like Middle Peace Quail.
Oh, you got some easy.
Get ready. Oh, run it. Oh my. Oh, he's big.
Oh my lord.
That's a little sweat. Get the nitro. Yeah, you did.
Kai.
Boom!
What is your name?
Boom!
Why?
All right, I've proven myself. I think I've proven it. What? 100% accuracy.
Aaron, Cyan, Hawk. Can you go again? I wasn't watching. I was mid-race.
I'll do one more. All right, what do we got? Please wait for the race to begin. You. Oh, that's a lot.
Yeah, see, it makes it paragraphs.
Come on.
Use your Nitro.
Oh my goodness.
Press enter to skip the word.
He's slipping.
Why?
You got
As it
enter,
skips
skip
the
the
word.
word. So like once you get on a big word, like get that.
It's that jam.
Oh.
Oh!
Hit enter.
Why?
Enter it.
Enter and skip some.
How many can I skip?
One.
One? Exercises are hard to spell. I'm nervous.
He's slipping.
Oh, he's back from behind. Oh my goodness. Oh, you didn't get last. What are the words?
60. 49.
Well, what did I get?
You have 49 words per minute. That's rookie numbers.
Okay. That's not fair.
Because he had a sentence.
All right, last one. I need to get first one more time. Oh, I got this. A handful makes a perfect snack? That's weird. What the heck?
You know who's nice?
Ah! Even if you haven't been To these places, comma, you may
Oh boy.
have eaten.
Third place.
Did I win?
No.
What?
You need to go again.
One more. I can't end on a loss. One more. All right. All right, here we go. Oh, snap. Oh, this is about science.
You failed on the space.
Oh, snap. That really put you back.
Oh my god.
Whose motion generates current and I'm skipping that one. Charged protons, which are 18. Period.
He won. Oh, did he win? Did he win?
Did I win?
He won.
Why am I daring Cyan Hawk? What? No, we gotta get back to science.
No, we do not.
We gotta get back to science.
Oh, that was bad.
All right.
Oh, I said a 50 word per minute.
I have no idea.
Statistical criticism.
Okay. All right. Let us move on to our new chapter now. We've got what?
Do we keep our dock open?
You can close that. You can close that. We'll come back to that later. What? I'm on something else, but I will soon. All right, what happened? Did you guys pick up this on the way in?
Yeah.
You guys need a blue, a yellow, a green, and a red. Of your own or crayons.
How do we crayon?
Doesn't have to be crayons. Doesn't have to be crayons.
Can it be pink?
Sure. Whatever makes you happy. What?
Those are the colors.
Yes. 4 colors. Because we're going to do 2 things at once. We're going to do a little coloring and a little bit of writing at the same time.
Oh, where's red? I got a red one.
Don't throw it at me. Nope, I'm gonna throw it at you. Catch it.
Ooh.
Oh, sorry, I got caught on my phone. That's alright.
Hey. No. Okay. Is she like talking to anybody? No? Okay.
Yes, Megan. Yeah. Who are you guys talking?
Me, Ellen.
No, that's not Megan.
No weird talking.
Wow, this is taking a long time.
You were talking about Megan.
Yes. Your sister.
No.
Okay.
Wait, I hope.
Why? Because she would have told you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Who told you?
Nobody told me anything. No, I promise you. Don't. No, nobody told me anything.
Should we start drawing that?
Color though, like just like this. Color just like this.
Am I coloring?
Okay, I'm going to actually color on my paper.
Yo, my blue looks like a purple.
Color just like this.
My blue looks like a
So, this next, we're going to put chapter 2 and chapter 8 together because they kind of match. You wouldn't think that chapter 2 and 8 go together, but they do. But they do. Why? Because chapter 2 is about matter, and part of matter is solutions. And chapter 8 is about special types of solutions, so it kind of makes sense.
my green and yellow.
Does anybody here remember the definition of matter? It is stuff. More specifically, though, Colt.
It's something that takes up space.
And matter has to have 2 things,
A gravitational pull.
which means it has mass. Yes. Matter is defined as anything that has mass and takes up space. Once you're done coloring, you don't need those anymore. Anything that has mass and takes up space.
The crown snap.
Do you have your top one colored?
No.
Okay. I'll wait a minute before I keep moving. It's fine. You guys are good at coloring. Isn't there something satisfying about coloring still?
No.
Yeah.
I
It's
can
good.
color inside the lunch.
That's weird.
I
can't.
Bro, Luke, every 3 seconds, every word that's coming out of your mouth. She is. That's like 5 minutes before and I'm outside the lines again.
Exactly. You're such
Yeah,
a
I'm colored outside the lines. You tell me that outside the lines.
look.
Again. You turn
Yeah, it's
back.
called guilt.
Yikes,
Okay.
dude. Take some art class. Hurry. My disrespect.
Showing the color
No,
elements.
No, it is. It's such a huge
class.
Do you guys think?
It's aesthetically pleasing.
So my youngest daughter. Shh. I'm talking about my daughters now.
Yes.
While you're coloring, my youngest daughter is on her way to the ortho because she has a boot just like Alexis does. Because she rolled her ankle. We know it's broken. Do you think the ortho is going to say she has to get a cast, or she can just wear the boot?
If she gets a cast, can you make sure that she gets it to be pink?
Oh, she will definitely pick pink if she gets a cast.
I've never broken a bone, so I've never gotten it.
I've broken one bone.
What do you mean get to experience?
It was my pinky. I broke my pinky.
Did you have to get the pin in it?
No, I just had to get a cast. But the cast went like all the way up to here. It was kind of like crazy.
Because of your pinky?
Not even that much.
I know. And then my finger that I thought I broke the other week, it's good. Like it feels pretty good.
We can put our crayons away after.
What
Yeah.
my name on this? There's low-key nowhere.
Yeah.
There's low-key.
I don't know.
Spot that.
You're an honor student. You'll have to figure it out.
What?
Miss Price right there, bro.
She what?
Our old science teacher is always like, you guys are honor students. She just said that a lot.
Oh, well, I was just kidding. So,
Miss Price wasn't kidding.
all right. Let's fill out a couple of these blocks, then we'll call it a day. How much time do we have? That 3 minutes? Yeah, we can do a couple. Yeah, I know. Time flies. Yeah, we do. All right, matter. We just said this is anything that has mass and takes up space. So fill that in. You guys already know that. Some examples I put were water, ice, and steam. Why did I choose water, ice, and steam? Yes? They're all different phases of water. Does steam have mass?
Yeah.
Yes, it does. Gases have mass. Do gases take up space?
Yeah.
Well, yes. If somebody in this end of the room passes gas, guess what that gas does? It spreads. All right? It spreads. What? What's that?
It's like a shower. Has a lot of steam.
I've been in a sauna.
It's like a sauna.
Yes, with the candle.
What is happy? Like it says
Fixed. Where are we at? Well, we're going to get there. You're ahead.
I'm not on the right.
This is Steamboat Geyser from Yellowstone from my trip this summer. Super cool geyser. Super cool geyser. Very cool. Highly recommend. There are two types of matter. One is pure substances. So a pure substance has definite chemical composition or properties and has fixed composition. So I like to say if it's a pure substance, you can write one of two things. You can write a symbol or a formula for it. For example, sugar. Is there a formula for sugar?
No. Yeah.
Yes, there is. It's C6H12O6. Vitamins have a formula. Water, does it have a formula? Yeah. What is it? H2O. What about oxygen? Does it have a symbol or a formula? What is it? O2. O. Is there a formula for grape juice?
Probably.
No. Because grape juice is a mixture. So, pure substances, you can write a formula.
For example, just write like water, vitamins, and sugar.
It's attached
Sure.
to my head, bud.
Yeah, that'd be great. And that's all the time we got today. Nice work. Lab tomorrow. Where you must have closed-toed shoes. Closed-toed shoes. Hair ties are not important tomorrow, but closed-toed shoes you must have.
Pretty close to it.
Man, that period flew by.
Where's Ellen going?
Ellen.